in the truck. So I kind of designed the whole thing. I was looking at the internet and I can't find a good design, so I just kind of did this. So I ordered the wrap kit and I'm not sure if it's gonna fit the whole truck with this design, but I'm gonna start in the back and see how it goes. Decided not to wrap the whole truck for now. I'm kind of digging through it, so I'm just gonna keep like this for now. Also, the wrap still has half of the stickers, so if I decided to wrap the whole thing, I think it would be enough.